Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small. I own CMS Law Firm, seven-figure law firm, and I created a law firm launch to help people like you. Today, what I want to talk about is how I use my paralegals. It is a question that I often ask myself. It's a question that people ask me all the time. I thought we would talk about it today. Okay, before I get to that though, if you are a law firm owner and you're struggling, or you can't figure out how to reach the next level, or you just want to hang out with some law firm owner friends, then I would encourage you to check out Law Firm Launch. It's a group that I put together. It's super cheap. It's super valuable. And if you're not in it, you should go check it out. You can do that by going to lawfirmlaunch.co. Lawfirmlaunch.co. Okay, paralegals. What do paralegals do? So for me, I do estate planning and I do probate. Okay, I don't do any litigation. If you do litigation, then your paralegal is going to be doing probably some different, more sort of specific, more experiential. What I mean is they require experience type of things. You may have somebody that's a pro at discovery and trial work. You may have somebody that's a pro at, editing motions, drafting motions, and things like that. What I use my paralegals for is essentially as the top end of the funnel for all of my clients. They do the initial drafting, but they also do a lot of the correspondence with them. They fill in the blanks when things need to be done. They check in with clients. They sort of do everything on the back end so that I can do sort of my best attorney work. I do the potential client calls. I do the actual client calls. If there are legal questions to be answered, I answer them. The paralegals, they basically do everything else. Okay. When a new client signs up, they onboard them. They send out the questionnaire. They do those type of things. When the questionnaire comes in, they do the initial draft. They look at everything. They give it their best shot. Then they send it to me and I look at it. I sort of make it fancy. I make sure that it does what we are trying to do. And then we send it out to the client. When we do the signing, they print the binders. They do all that kind of stuff and put all that kind of stuff together. If there are meetings to be scheduled, they schedule them. Okay. Those are all of the things that they do. They drive the ship. When correspondence comes in, I try to get my clients to copy everyone so that they can respond quickly. So that again, I can do sort of my best attorney work. This is super helpful for me because it allows me to also work on the business. For my attorneys, it allows them to do what they need to do, which is talk to clients, talk to new clients, and do the legal work. That's all I really want them to do. It's very, very tricky to do. If you have not had someone helping you before, you need to delegate, delegate, delegate. Is it going to be perfect? No, it's not. But with systems and processes, you can iron out a lot of those kinks. What it also allows you to do is sort of rest easy at night, knowing that someone has your back, knowing that someone is helping you on a project, knowing that someone is there hopefully to help make sure that deadlines are being met, that if problems arise, they are being handled. It's a team member for you, okay? So that's how I use my paralegals. It's become a refined process over time. I tend to try to give them more and more and more things to do as time goes by, as I get more comfortable delegating, as I get more comfortable leading, and that's how I use my paralegals, all right? Hopefully that helps. If it did, leave a comment. If you have other questions about how I run my firm, let me know about them. I'd love to answer them. And if you are looking for some friends or looking for a way to level up, in Law Firm Launch, I share everything that I do with my firm. So if you want access to that, access to great law firm owners, if you want to get to the next level, come and check out Law Firm Launch. You can do that by going to lawfirmlaunch.co. Lawfirmlaunch.co. All right, as always, I am Christopher Small. I own CMS Law Firm. I own Law Firm Launch. We do seven figures. We're awesome. And I want to share what I've done with my firm so that you can get your firm wherever you want it to go. All right, have a great day. As always, thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you again soon. See ya.